Hi, boys. We're back. I just want to say, because we're starting this video, this isn't the same shirt I've been wearing for a few days now. I've got like three of them, bro. So don't come in my comment section and tell me you're wearing the same shirt because I'm not. Okay. I shower. I'm clean. Anyways, forget that. We're not here for that. All right. So usually I do these videos on a Sunday. Well, I've done it for 1 week. This is my second week doing it. Usually I was planning to do them on a Sunday, but today, with what happened last night, as if you've seen on my TikTok, if you followed Gold's movement, we had a massive dump. As you can see there, it's pretty big, bro. Volume's fucked. So yeah, I wanted to get into it today rather than tomorrow, just because it's fresh in my head. All right. So right now we're looking at the hour chart. I have a few orders set. I need to remove the orders now. All right, cool. All right. Now, last week we were very bullish. Okay. Then what happened was, right, bullish from consolidation. That's where they accumulated. Then we went for bulls. Okay. We broke above this high. Now, so now, once we broke that high, that was our continuation. And we would, if we took a trade from here somewhere, maybe a breakout of here, we would have targeted this high. Okay. Now, with that being our high, we have a correction. We always have to have corrections in the market for, the banks to get their orders in, for people to get better orders, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. There's always a correction. This is our correction bit. Now we had the indication of it coming back here, right? I'll mark that out. That was our indication for it to come back. And then also some more indication was this lower high. So we didn't really make a lower low, but for me, if I go the 15-minute chart, we would have broke structure, and that would be our lower low. And then the next closest point to there would be our higher low. So as I said last week, there's equal lows, so things EL, and EH, equal lows, equal highs. Now, with it not coming down to the same level, I wouldn't consider it equal lows, just because one's higher than the other. And by, yeah, by 100 pips or 1,000 points. Anyways, okay, so I saw that and it broke up immediately. I did take an impulse. Now I took it as we broke into the swing low level, so the support level, right? The resist. I don't know, support and resistance. I don't even call it that, but you guys do. So once we broke into our support and resistance level, I then took the buy as we had a pretty good low closing candle in there with not many wicks and showing a lot of bullish momentum. It consolidated for a bit and then it boomed. It boomed. Now, what I was expecting is this. I was expecting that. I wasn't expecting a clear break above. Okay. Now it's ridiculously come back down. These are all ridiculous movements. This 15, 15, and then it came down. Which lucky I didn't take on my funded because that would have been in big drawdown. But I took on my I'm doing a challenge on my trade locker. It's like a $600 USD account. And I'm gonna try and like slowly increase it, risk management for it. Just I wanted to work on my risk management with a lower capital account because I feel like sometimes I risk too much and that's an issue of mine. I get too greedy. So I wanted to see how capable I am with risking lower lots and see if I can manage to build the account up. Because for me, I'm not money orientated. I'm skill orientated. I want to get this right. I need a haircut, man. I need a haircut. My barber's in Singapore. Anyways, Malaysia, Singapore. I don't know. Same shit, different spell. Anyways, so if price, my stop loss is below this high low. If price breaks that level, there will be no more uptrends, which is a lie because I think there still could be, because it could still come down to, it still could come down to somewhere here, but it couldn't break the lower high. So the high low. So it doesn't look good for TP. There's a swing trade. It's not good for the TP. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get stopped out. But you know what? I'm sticking to my rules and I'm not gonna, get out because I see one bearish candle. So no stressing there. Don't I'm not really fast. It's pretty heavy. That doesn't look too good. Yeah, so I think it's gonna hit my stop loss, but I'm not fast. Like what? It's $40 loss. Easier to come back, bro. I trade with one to four, 1 to 5 RR, so it doesn't matter. Look at this trade. It's 1 to 3. It's 1 to 4. Yeah, it's 1 to 4. That's a 1 to 4 trade. So I'm not stressed. Yeah. So what I predict the market to do, it's either gonna go one of two ways. Yeah, I think it might break below, go to one of these key areas, and just consolidate for the rest of the week, or it's going to edge this low, create another higher low, and then take off. Now, the problem is, for me, is we're late December now. Like, it's not that late. It's only the 6th for me, but like the price action's not there. Price action's not there. And it's pretty rubbish. It's pretty rubbish trading at the moment. It's pretty messy. There's no clean moves. As you can see, this is on the hour, bro. Like, breaks out, falls back in. Breaks out, falls back in. So, like, we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'll leave this to it. Might make a video for tomorrow. But yeah, any questions? Just hit me up in the comments. Hit me up in DMs. Hit me up in my email. I'm free to help you guys out.